Welcome to IGiS CAD, a versatile 2D drafting and 3D modeling CAD software. In this video, we are going to tell you how to use auto-number command. In this demo, we have used our plant for auto-numbering. Now to start the process, select the auto-number tool and then specify the points for numbering. Here, we will be numbering 6 entities like boiler steam, steam turbine, generator, fast cooling of steam turbines, condenser of this turbine and main boiler. Likewise, you can number the other entities for the power plants as well. Now, to start numbering, select the auto number command and then select entity points to be numbered. After that, define the sorting order and specify start number and increment, and also specify placement of the number in the text. This will sequentially auto-number the entities. So this was all about auto-numbering. Thank you for watching.